Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play this Piano Course Accompaniment APT by ROSÉ and Bruno Mars. I'll just sing as a reference point, and I have left in the description where you can find the full chords and lyrics. I've also left my other Bruno Mars tutorials in the description as well. So let's dive in. So this one's in the key of C minor / E flat major, they're the same notes. Major. So we have 3 flats, and these are the notes we are going to be mostly working with. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. Because we're doing chords, I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. So we're going to start straight in with the verse because there's no chords or anything before that. There's not much going on in the verse. Kiss your face, send to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel, oh. So what I played there, so we have C5. If you can stretch octaves, play octaves in the left hand, so it's C to C. If you can't, just play the lowest C. In the right hand, we're going to play just G and C. Kiss your face, send to your phone, but. And then on but, we have B flat 5. So B flat octaves in the left hand, or just play one of them if you can't stretch. In the right hand, we're going to play F and B flat. And then it goes back to the C5. Sequence for the verses on the top screen. So it's a C5, B flat 5 to the C5, C5, and then we repeat all of that again. Kiss your face, send to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel, oh. And then we're into the chorus, and this is where we have the more substantial chords. So we have A flat major. So most of the way through the song I'm going to be voicing the chords. So the top note of the chord, the highest note of the chord, will be what in line with the vocal line. So don't you want? So it starts with the A flat. So I'm going to keep to playing octaves in the left hand. Remember, just play the single notes if you struggle to play the octave. So in the right hand we have C, E flat, A flat. So this is first inversion of A flat major. So I'll just play the chords holding them down first. Don't you want me like a... And then we have B flat 1. So again, voicing the chord. So the highest note of the chord is in line with the vocal melody. Want you, baby. So we have B flat major. That's F, B flat, D flat, and B flat in the left hand. This is second inversion of B flat major. So do that again. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Then the next chord. So don't you need me? So we have C minor, so C is in the left hand. In the right hand we have root position of C minor, so that's C, E flat, G. Don't you need me like I need you now? And here we have E flat major. So E flat's in the left hand, and in the right hand, that's first inversion, that's G, B flat, and E flat. So I'll do all that again. We almost play all of that again, it's just the E flat is dropped at the end. All you gotta do is just meet me at the... It comes off there. So in terms of a playing rhythm pattern, I'm going to play it like this. So I'm going to play all the notes together, and then left, right. Or if you're not playing octaves, you could go left, right. So together, left, right, together, left, right, together, left, right, together, left, off. So if I demonstrate the chorus then. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the... And then we're into the... We're going to play like the verse part again. So the C5 to the B flat 5. So for the post-chorus. Apatapatu, 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 And then we're going to carry that on for the next verse, for the Bruno Mars part. It's whatever, it's whatever, it's whatever you like. Turn this apatto into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak party all night. Come big girl, go, what's up? Oh, oh, oh. And then we're into the chorus again, so just continue. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the... But for this post-chorus, we're going to continue that chord progression on. So for the part where we have the lead up to the bridge, so where she says, hey, so you know the game? Are you ready? Because I'm coming to get you. That bit. So we're just going to play G's, that's all. You can sort of play them like that. And then we're into the bridge. We have the same similar chords we've had before, but we're going to voice them in a different way. Hold on, So there we have C minor. I'm using the same playing pattern, so they're together, left, right, left, right. So we've got root position of C minor, so C, E flat and G, with C in the left hand. And then we're going to come up to B flat major, so that's D, F, B flat, first inversion with B flats in the left hand. And then root position of E flat major. So of course we've had before, but we're just playing them in the notes in a different order. So E flat, G, B flat. And then we have C major. So it's like playing the C minor, but we're raising the E flats to an E. So C, E, G. And then we do that 3 more times, so back to the C minor, so back to the E flat, B flat major, E flat major, C major, C minor, B flat major, E flat major, C major, and then this time we have a new chord coming up. So we have C minor again, B flat major, we have F major, so F's in the left hand, and then second inversion of F major in the right hand, so that's C, F, A. For the way, and you're sort of just going to play in time with the way. That's it for the bridge. So I'll play it one more time. into the chorus again, so it's just the chorus chord progression until the end. So the chorus and then the outro part. The first time we play the progression, we're just going to hold the chords down, and then for the remaining 5 times I'll play with that playing pattern I showed you. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the appetite, appetite, appetite. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.